Hi everyone, we're here for a very special practice here today. I'm going to be guiding you through a shower meditation. Now, what is this? We're simply going to be tapping into the symbolic nature of water. We can visually see how powerful water is at cleansing things away off our physical body. And we're going to use that to help us visualize it doing the exact same thing to our mental and emotional body. The only disclaimer that I will give before this practice is that it's going to be quite a short one because we want to respect the water and use it sparingly. The flowiness of our emotions and our creativity are linked to water, so we don't want to let ourselves drown in our emotions nor waste our creativity away down the drain. So let's use this element and everything that it represents with deep care and respect. So if you feel called to make the shower even shorter, just follow your intuition. Okay, let's get started. Before turning the tap on, let's just take a few deep breaths. Standing up or sitting down, wherever you feel most comfortable. Deep inhalation through the nose from the abdomen up into the chest to the neck, and exhale through the mouth with an audible sigh. And again, deep inhalation through the nose from the abdomen into the chest, into the neck, and exhale through the mouth with an audible sigh. And one last time, deep inhalation through the nose into the abdomen, chest, neck, and exhale through the mouth with an audible sigh. Now just set an intention here. What is real in your body, in your mind, in your emotional state today? What is making you feel heavy, stuck? What needs to be washed and cleansed to start fresh? And when you're ready, turn the shower on, and when it's at a suitable temperature for you, just step under the water. Let it first pour over you softly. And the first step under this soft pour, let your mind wander and think of the things that are weighing you down. Live in that place for a moment of overwhelm. Just let it exist there, see it, honor it. And just feel the water drip down your body, cleansing you so effortlessly. And now visualize it start to crash over your heart center. Its power of cleansing is getting deeper and stronger. Feel it intensifying with every breath. Rid yourself of these excess thoughts, feelings, and relax into it. Continue to take deep breaths. Let's turn the water off for a brief moment, again using it with care and respect. Now we're simply going to grab our soap, bring the soap in between your palms, rub, create that foam. Now wash your own body with love and care, washing away these heavy burdens, these excess thoughts, an extra layer of cleansing alongside the water. Before we turn the water back on, let's take a moment to acknowledge that once the water comes in contact with this soap and with our physical body, it will wash away the heaviest burdens that lie within you right now. And as it does so, I invite you to focus your eyes on the drain, visually seeing the dirt wash away. This physical dirt that represents the emotional and mental heaviness. So when you're ready, put the water back on and be in this space with yourself. If any emotions feel the need to flow out in this last process, just give them space to do so. Feel the power of the drain. Let it act like a vacuum. Feel the soap and the dirt wash down it, but also feel the pull coming from it, pulling any remaining heaviness in your body. Now when you're ready, turn the tap back off, and before grabbing a towel to pat yourself dry, let's just stand here and feel the gratitude. Feel the gratitude of having running water in your home. Simply feel the gratitude for being in such a privileged position. Simply be aware of it and honor it. And now, if you feel called to do so, and if you have the products to do it, maybe take this moment after the shower to nourish your body with creams and oils. Let's nourish the pores that were just clogged up with heaviness. Let's give some love back to them. And as you're moisturizing your body with these creams and oils, do so with love and care. Every touch is soft and sweet and loving. You deserve to feel held, to feel cared for in the softest and sweetest way. If heaviness is something that you feel quite frequently, maybe do this practice most times you have showers or any time you're near a body of water. Work alongside this element to help you in your daily life. As for me, I will leave you here. If you enjoyed this practice, please like this video, leave a comment on how it made you feel, and subscribe if you would like to practice more. Anyway, thank you for being here with me. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next practice. Bye, guys.